In this video, I talk about a magnetic charging cable from Static. Hi, my name is Samuel Robinson. Before I even continue, I want to introduce you to this little warning. So in order to take advantage of the full charging capabilities, you want to make sure that you use the original charger. This plug comes with either USB-C or USB-A, so you can plug it in. One of the things I noticed when I first plugged it in is the LED light that comes on. It comes with 3 different attachments, one of which it attaches by magnet, so here, and you can just simply plug it in, disconnect, reconnect. Thank you for watching. My name is Samuel Robinson. Subscribe and let me know what other videos you want to see as a business owner.